friends, welcome back to Techie Minds, and today in this video I'll be giving you the review of Myra Screen streaming device. I've ordered it from aliexpress.com. The purchase links are in the description. There are many streaming devices in the market nowadays, like the Amazon Fire Stick, Google Chromecast, and even the TVs have built-in feature. But if you have none of these, this device is perfect for you. Other devices may cost Rs 1000 or more, but this device comes in about only 700 rupees with an extreme video quality. Now let's see its box. On its front, the photo of the device is given and it comes in a flap which you can open to see the device inside. On its side, all its features are written, and on its back you can see how to use it. Now let's unbox it. So these are all the things you get in the box. This is the device. It has an HDMI cable at the top which you can use to connect it with your TV, laptop, projector, etc. On its bottom, there is a micro USB port and a button which could be used to switch between iOS devices and Android or Windows. This is your user manual with one side written in Chinese and other in English. This is the cable with one side of micro USB and other side with USB and Wi-Fi to connect the device. Now I'm going to show you how to use the device and its video quality. So first of all, I'm going to put this device to the HDMI port of my TV. It's already connected to my TV, so I'm not showing it. This is the USB adapter which I'm going to plug near the socket to my TV. And now I'll use the cable which came with the device. I'll put its USB part into the adapter and its other micro USB end to the device. Now let's switch on the TV. Now I'll switch the TV to the HDMI port to which the device is connected. Now this screen will appear in your TV. Now as you can see, there are two options. One is for Android and Windows devices, another is for iOS or Mac devices. As I'm having an Android device, I'll let it be as it is. Now I'll turn on my phone. And now I'll turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS and all the connectivity options so that it can function properly. Now I'll go to the Smart View option. You may find it in different locations in different phones. In my one, it is in the notification panel, so I'll switch it on. Now in the Smart View option, the device name will appear and you have to click on it to connect it. In my one, it's already connected, so I can't show it. Now, the device is streaming into my TV. Now let's see its video quality by opening some videos on YouTube. Hello friends, welcome back to Techie Minds, and today in this video I'm going to give you the review of Boatstone 1000 portable speaker. I ordered it from Amazon in 2000 rupees. The purchase links are in the description. Overall, the video quality is very good. Sometimes you may face lag, but in such a cheap price, it is very good. I recommend you to buy it. Thank you for watching Techie Minds. Do like, subscribe and share. Also do not forget to comment.